Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel, A Life in High Definition, or welcome if this is your first time. Glad to have you on board. How are we all doing? Hope you have had not too bad of a day, didn't get rained on, weren't too cold, weren't too sad that the sunny weather seems to have just disappeared somewhere over the horizon. That better not have been summer, because I will be a bit sad. So what have I got for you today? Well, I'm back with the Pip Box. It is a cruelty-free beauty box full of lovely goodies, and this month's box is the Glow Edit. So if you want to find out what's inside, if it's any good, and if you might want to get one for yourself, you know what you've got to do. Give me a big thumbs up, let me know you enjoy these videos, subscribe to my channel and join my high def family. You can also hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, and you can share this video because everyone loves cruelty-free beauty, don't they? Save those bunnies. Alright, let's get into the video. So if you don't know, the Pip Box is a monthly subscription box. It's $14.99 a month plus £3.35 P&P. You can have the least cruel, most vegan box you can if you want. It comes out towards the end of the month. It gives you something to look forward to, which I quite like. Around Easter, the offer was to get a free extra item if you order during the Easter holidays, and I had cancelled mine and I thought, oh, go on then. I like an extra free item, and I also used a code to get a discount, so I got 10% off. If you would like a discount, you can use this code and you should get a discount or an extra item. I'm not sure exactly which, it's a new thing that they've just brought out, but feel free to use it or don't. But as I always say, don't pay more than you have to. This is what the box looks like. It comes in a cardboard outer and not a separate box inside because, of course, we're trying to save the planet here. We're not having extra packaging unless we need it. But it has some pretty paper. Pip points are new, so you earn Pip points for every box you buy and redeem them for Pip vouchers. Without tipping everything out, this is what I have. This is the thing, but we don't want to look too much because you don't want to see what's inside, do you? Hello and welcome to our April edit. This month's lineup includes a gorgeous selection of beauty treats curated to provide a glowing complexion in time for spring. Enjoy. And 50p from the sale of the box has been donated to the charity Animal Free Research UK. And in fact, when I signed up, they said that over Easter, those people who signed up then, they would donate £1 instead of 50p. So that's always really good. Interesting. So it never really tells you much information, but it's okay. I have my trusty iPad here to tell me everything. So let's go in with this first. Let's put this down. So this is the Pip bonus item for signing up over that Easter period. And this is from Naissance 100% pure cold pressed organic argan oil. This luxuriously rich oil contains skin-loving essential fatty acids. You just get it out of the bag. Fatty acids and natural vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Argan oil is renowned for its rejuvenating effects that will help your hair and body feel nourished and silky soft. Use it as skincare. Apply a few drops on the skin to help soften, restore brightness and protect it from the effects of modern lifestyle. Excellent as a day and night moisturiser. Add it a few drops to your hair after showering or before styling for glossy, healthy looking hair. I did actually have this from Pip Box about 2 or 3 months ago. So it's a little bit sad to get the same thing as an extra gift. This is a 10ml sample worth 43p. Yay. So let's have a look at the stuff that everybody will be getting. Right, let's pull this out first because this looks the most exciting. Or should I have left it till last? Anyway, it's out now. So, it's an apple. What is it? It's hand cream from Balade en Provence. Delicious scent apple. The name Balade en Provence translated is walk in Provence, symbolises the pleasure of walking the fields of Provence, picking delicious fruits and flowers whilst enjoying the peacefulness and natural beauty of the region. Pamper yourself with the delicious scent of apple developed by our perfumier from Grasse in the heart of Provence. Sourced ethically. I love this. Look how cute that is. It's an actual apple. And you can get 15% off with the code PIPBOX15 at baladeprovence.com. Let's get sniffing. Ooh, it's like a thick cream, look. Oh, it smells like proper red, fresh, crunchy apple. Oh, it's making me hungry. That literally smells like a red apple. That smells so good. I love moisturisers and I love things that smell like what they're supposed to smell like. Oh, this smells great. I shouldn't get so excited over a moisturiser, but I like it. I like hand moisturiser and that smells amazing. Husband is going to be so impressed with that. So what else can I tell you about this delicious, delicious thing? It says, our delicious apple is highly effective hand cream that absorbs quickly and protects, nourishes and moisturises your hands. 92% ingredients of natural origin, 20% shea butter to soothe, moisturise and protect the skin. Certified vegan, delicious scent of fresh apple, made in Provence. No parabens, no phenoxyethanol, no colorant, no endocrine disruptors, no allergens, no sulfates. And yeah, it's great. They also have a pear hand cream, which, you guessed it, looks like a pear, and you can buy them from Amazon. I am super impressed because this smells so good. It's only an apple. I don't know why I'm so excited. Okay, let's go in with this. This I had in, I think, little known box or something. This is Gruum, and it is a lip balm, and the one I had before was watermelon, and it says colour my life with the rainbow of chaos. This one is made with watermelon, mango, coconut, aloe vera. I don't know why I assumed it was strawberry. It's coloured rare coral. So this is actually a coloured one. So it's supposed to leave a hint of colour on you. I've got lipstick on, so there you go. You can see the colour. Oh, it smells delicious. And these are very natural. They're made with, if I can remember correctly from last time, they're made with the odds and ends of fruit. So like after the fruit has been used in, I don't know, making juice or put into a fruit salad or something like that, they use what's left and take the juices and things from the skins and things to use and put into their lip balms. So they're using products that would have gone to waste to make new products, which is great for the environment, isn't it? And less food wastage is awesome. So they're very cool items. You can get 20% off orders over £10 with the order Pip X Fruit 20. It's tinted balm with amazing colour. Let's do this. So I feel like a connoisseur of cognac now because this is my second one. It's a cognac sponge. The cognac sponge is nature's enriching, powerful and effective answer to premium skin cleansing. Developed by the Japanese who have harnessed the goodness and benefits of the cognac plant for centuries. Silky, soft when wet, gently exfoliates, deeply cleanses and refreshes, refines pores, conditions and calms, helps prevent ingrown hairs, suitable for sensitive skin, colouring and additive free. This is cruelty free and it is vegan. It's 100% natural vegetable fibre body sponge with nourishing mineral-rich green clay for oily and combination skin. I've got to open it up. This is the one I got before, and this is, I can't remember which skin type it's for, but they all have specific skin types, and this is for cleansing your face. You get it wet and then you rub it all over your face and it naturally cleanses. Or you can add your own cleanser to it and it'll work even better. Then you hang it up to dry and you use it again and again. This one is for your body. Same thing. You get it wet and it turns into this lovely, silky, soft sponge. It gets much bigger. So you rub it all over your body and it helps to exfoliate you and do all the stuff it said, ingrown hairs and whatnot. And it's good for if you get spots on your body and things. I mean, it doesn't say you can't use it on your face, but it's supposed to be for your body. It comes with instructions and everything, how to use it, how to keep taking care of it so that it lasts longer. French green clay is for combination skin, and they even have a baby sponge suitable for newborns. So just reading from the website, it says, this wavy cognac sponge has been created for combination skin and oily T-zones. Green French clay has been added to help tighten pores and condition damaged skin cells. Mixed with cognac, the sponge naturally draws out impurities and toxins, stimulating blood flow and invigorating the skin. Ergonomically designed with 6 waves. You see the waves? This cognac sponge is great for use in a shower or bath. Consider it a hygienic and skin-friendly alternative to the basic flannel or mesh bath puff. Bath puff. Oh dear. It's 100% colouring and additive free, certified vegan and cruelty free, pH balancing, gentle but deep exfoliation. It boosts blood circulation. Green clay is one of nature's strongest antiseptics. It's been used for centuries in the finest spas around the world. Valued for its mineral-rich goodness and highly absorbent properties, it's the quintessential clay for combination and oily T-zone skin. Our green clay cognac sponges tighten pores, blah, 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 blah. Sorry, French green clay, that's the difference. Very special, very special. And the whole thing about cognac sponges are they're handmade in the volcanic hills of Jeju Island in South Korea. A UNESCO World Heritage Protection Site, Jeju Island is renowned as a pristine area of outstanding beauty and reputed to have some of the purest water in the world. I'm not pronouncing that correctly. I'm looking forward to using this. I think it'll be fun. Next up we have this from Weleda. I've had a few of their things now. Hand cream maybe, body cream, something like that. Yeah, I think a body cream. A tiny sample of body cream for my giant body. I remember now. It's Evening Primrose Age Revitalizing Body Oil. What are they trying to say? That I'm old? That I'm past it? Maybe. I mean, look at those eye bags. It's certified natural skincare. It's a 10ml sample. It intensively regenerates mature skin and increases skin's firmness and elasticity. The website says it's extra rich body oil to help keep precious moisture in dry, mature skin. A rich treat for mature skin, golden radiance for overall skin pampering. Looks like this inside. Cosset your body with a gilded sheen of precious organic evening primrose oil, sensitively combined with velvety jojoba and ultra nourishing wheat germ oil. Lifting your spirits as it feeds your skin, the oil is naturally perfumed with cardamom, magnolia and sandalwood for revitalising fresh floral fragrance, as subtle and precious as the golden petals of the evening primrose itself. Suitable for vegans. Apply it on damp skin after a shower or bath when oil absorbs best. It does smell nice. I just got a drop on my finger by just turning it over. I just wanted to see how far it would spread. So one drop pretty much does the back of my hand. But can you imagine actually coating your whole body in this? I'd rather have it in my bath or something so that it can spread. Maybe I could do it as like a massage oil. Yes, get husband to massage me. Have a nice relaxing bath. Get husband to massage the oil into me. That would be nice. That could be nice on my muscles as well, a bit of a massage. But I like my idea of having husband massage me with this after a nice relaxing bath, after I've scrubbed down with my body cognac sponge. This sounds like a night in the making. Our last item is this from Peony Cosmetics, which I don't think I've heard of them before. But they are cruelty-free, of course, 91% natural, vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, it's gluten-free, hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic, whatever that means. It's a foolproof gel-based crayon that instantly delivers soft focus, lit from within colour in flattering hybrid of pink, gold and luminescence. Glide onto your cheekbones and blend with your ring finger. And if you subscribe to their newsletter and use the code PEONY20, you get 20% off your next order at peonycosmetics.com. Shall we get it out and have a look? Uh-oh. Okay, so I just pulled it out and this came out. I'm going to try and see if I can get it back in its hole. Oh dear. So that is the amount of product you get. Go back in your hole. I've saved it. Let's put it on my arm here. So it's true, it is pink and it does go shiny. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but I can see the gold shift. I don't know why I'm putting it on my face when, you know, obviously you won't be able to see it compared to the red shininess of my face that's already there. Or can you? That extra just looks the same colour as my red face. It'll be interesting to see what this looks like on actual makeup rather than just on my face as it is at the moment, because I feel like it does do what it's saying, like it's blended into your face. So that is the total of the box. So we've got the cognac sponge, we've got the beautiful apple, we've got the peony, we've got the lip balm and we've got the body oil and of course the extra argan oil as a bonus gift. So what do you think of all these things? Well, I'm definitely excited for my apple. You could see I was quite excited, and my sponge, and I quite like this peony thing too. The lip balm, also really enjoy their Fruit lip balms, and $4.99 is a bit on the expensive side for me. So I'm glad to have received it rather than to have to buy it. But I do support what they do. The body oil I'm not super keen on, but I'm going to give it a try because why not? Well, I keep forgetting. Husband's going to massage it into me. So now, yes, I am super keen on it. The argan oil, I wish it was something else because I've already had that. But hey, life is what it is. It's a free item. Can't complain too much. This box has a total value of $47.95 or $48.81 if you include the argan oil, which is pretty great. Definitely better value for money than some other things that I've unboxed this evening. I am going to use all of these items. Is it good and is it nice to have this cruelty-free beauty stuff? It is. It means that everyone can be doing it basically. If these people can all make great things and be cruelty-free and do things like Fru's doing and use up stuff that's going to waste, then why can't more people do that? I think they can. So thank you so much for joining me for opening April's Pip Box. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you think of the items and whether you would have had this box or not. Until you see me next time, take care of yourself and live every moment well. Bye guys.